If you love eating fresh salad mix like this, but you find that it winds up sogging and getting rotten because you don't eat it in time, here is a little hack. I usually only buy greens for my sandwiches and salads that can also be cooked, like spinach, because what I do towards the beginning of the week when I buy the salad mix, I portion out only what I'm going to need for my salad or sandwich, and the rest of it I just blanch in advance. So I am pouring the bag of spinach into a pot of boiling water. Now, spinach in particular cooks really quickly, and we don't even want to cook it all the way through. We're just submerging it in the water, stirring it around for a minute, like really no more than that. As you can see, it is wilting and cooking before your very eyes. Spinach is really magical that way. That's one of the many reasons why I like spinach. Besides the fact that it's tender and it's really tasty raw as well as cooked, it also cooks super quickly, so it's super convenient. And then we simply drain it, and some people at this point would shock it in an ice water bath, but that's an extra step and it involves making ice, which is annoying, so I don't bother. I just shake it dry. As not dry, obviously, it's still going to be pretty wet, but you want to press out some of the excess water so that there's not so much water in there when you freeze it. And if you don't overcook it, it'll still maintain its lovely green color. And then you can put it into a used cottage cheese container with a yogurt lid. You could use a freezer bag or, an actual, Tupperware container or something, but this is cheaper and it's a lot easier. Because then you look at your freezer and it's full of yogurt containers and you have no idea what's in them, and it's a nice surprise. Anyway, that's how you blanch spinach for freezing.